There is a specific point where you've been evolving for days, months, years, and you come to what could very well be an end. Where you've journeyed far enough that it would make perfect sense to put your stake in the ground and call this home. Just think. No more questions, broken promises. In fact, you could hide from the very demons that chewed you up and spit you out. You could. But what would have become of you had you taken 3 more steps and reached out and grabbed the new unseen opportunity? And to the detriment of all the sleepwalkers and conformists, not all cages have locks and steel bars. See, regression is not always going backwards. Sometimes it's standing still and changing nothing and letting an opportunity outpace your courage to let go of what's holding you back. And do I shed a tear for those who wave as that ship sails by? I do. How far is far enough to wonder? Can't you taste it? Can't you imagine? What if you push on through and accept a new path? What if you wear discomfort one more time like a badge of honor, like your ticket to the life you could have? Because it's not that you haven't come far already. It just could be that you haven't gone far enough.
And with that, friends, I take a stand, raise my hands and make an oath to the world to be better than I am. Because missed dreams bring regrets and weak means will bring wrong ends. Immobility is a philosophy, seeing life through scarcity and how tragic it is to finally see your worth and then let it all slip away from me. Is it the art of obligation, or is it my growth or stagnation? And in case there's any hesitation, just remember why you started, man. It's your move, so don't forget. If life sees cold feet, it will string you along like a quartet. But I have faith in fate. But courage means taking risk on new things and never looking back and being scared to try new things, because it's not honorable to be vulnerable. So stay smart and hireable. I could stay and play it safe, but to be honest, it's just not desirable. So from now on, more risks, more turns, more twists, and I might take some shots and some may miss, but that's life, that's art, that's business, 'cause I need this.
Follow Leaders of Fire on LinkedIn.